We have to stop the fear. In this video, I want to show you how you can step out of this fear, this intense anxiety that we're all feeling. And it's almost like it's in the air. But the truth is, it's in the media. The media has figured out ways that our brain works that basically takes it out of our hands as to whether or not we feel fear and anxiety. And the more media you watch, the more fear and anxiety it provokes. And that gets us to watch more. And they make money when we watch more because the advertisers pay them for how many people are watching, how long they're watching, what exactly is it they're watching. And as that happens, you'll see all these little ads that show up in amongst all the anxiety and fear. And because they got so good at having us sort of stay stuck to the media, keep watching it, thinking we're protecting ourselves, we're really just full of anxiety. And the more that happens, the more money they make. Okay. But it's not really out of our hands, not completely. I want you to know that you do have control and you can take back your power away from the media, away from all of the fear and anxiety that provokes in you. And actually, it's sort of sucking all of your life force away from you. So let's get started. I know from experience that pretty much nothing is going on right now this minute. So if you think about where you are right now, if you look around yourself, are you in immediate danger? Are you are you just sort of waiting for something to happen? So if you look around yourself right now and you notice that you're not in immediate danger, what is it that you're actually experiencing? If you come out of all the thoughts that are going on in your head and you let yourself be here right now, you're breathing air, you're safely situated somewhere. There are no bombs. For most of us, there are no bombs going off outside our door or um, people dying by the dozens. And as we notice this in our immediate surroundings, most of our situations are fine right now, this minute. So to step out of what you're being told to think about and just be present right now is going to be the most powerful thing you can do for yourself. There are deeper ways to get into this where you not only clear yourself from all the anxiety and fear, but you can also connect with your higher self. They call this heart brain coherence. I know Dr. Joe talks about it, and a lot of other thought leaders think, tell us about this. And basically, all it is imagining that your energy comes out of your head. All your energy that you're using to think and process and worry and create anxiety comes out of your head and into your heart. And as you bring all of that energy and all of that attention into your heart, that's actually where your higher self sits. It sits there waiting for you to give it your attention so that it can calm you and give you peace and allow synchronicities that are really good for you to show up. And it also gives you a moment to be present so that when a good thing or a good opportunity shows up for you, it's something you can be aware of because you're not focused in fear and anxiety. So as you bring your attention down here into your heart area, just notice how you feel. Bring yourself there completely. And your brain will try to take you away from that. It'll think of things you have to do. It'll wonder how much time you've been spending there. It will tell you to go and scroll again. And as you notice your brain trying to hijack your energy, just be aware of it. Don't fight with it. Take a breath and bring your attention back to your heart. So you're not getting upset about it, you're not worrying about it, you're just noticing it and then bringing your attention back to your heart. This is the easiest way to come out of fear and anxiety. It takes seconds instead of, it doesn't take much time at all. It takes a few seconds just to bring your attention there. And as you do that, you bring yourself back into your actual personal power. You're in the moment. You get to make a choice in the moment. You get to think about what you would like to think about instead of what you're being told to think about and worry about. So that's all I got for today. Hopefully it helps you to move back into your power. And until the next video, have a great day.